And we'll remember how sports activities across the country have been curtailed given the lockdown situation in the country due to coronavirus. And well, now the sports ministry certainly drawing a future roadmap for how exactly can athletes continue to train, and especially for Olympics, which is also the priority for the ministry at this point in time. My colleague and our sports editor Sumon Ray in conversation with Kiran Rijiju on what the government has decided for athletes across the country.
No, we want to prepare everything on time, because when we plan for the future, we have to start doing now. That is why if we have an objective of performing better in 2024 Olympics in Paris as well as 2028 Los Angeles Olympics, then we have to start planning now. And when we have a plan, means we must execute it also. That is why we have started doing many things. Especially the talent scouting at a young age is very critical for our future planning. And the target Olympic podium scheme for the juniors, I think this will pay a rich dividends in our quest to be there in the top 10 of the Olympics medal tally. I'm very confident that whatever steps I'm taking now will be very, very encouraging for the younger generation, as well as it will help in creating a better sporting culture in the country.
While doing that, another big announcement that has been made is a 4-year contract for the Indian as well as foreign coaches, so that all the athletes can be trained under the same coach. This is also a big decision taken by the sports ministry.
Yes, earlier the coaches are being appointed for a short term, and there was no provision for long-term planning. So what I have seen is there are some coaches which are extremely getting and bringing good results. So we have extended their period for 4 years, and for those coaches which we are supposed to leave now, they can now go up till next year to Tokyo 2021. And I want to ensure that the Indian coaches should be able to get the better opportunity of the system. Why should we leave behind the coaches?
Okay, the sports has to start in India. I mean, many of the stadium has already opened. When are we planning to? Because the athletes, those who have qualified for the Olympics must start as training in a professional way as well. The ministry is helping. The federations are also trying to do their best. But when do you see actual sports start happening in the various stadiums, sir?
It will happen. We are taking decision. We are discussing with the federations. We are doing it. It will start at right time.